Hey everyone, Brian here with Autopedia. Today we're diving into the latest Euro NCAP crash test results for two highly anticipated models from Ford, the 2024 Ford Explorer and the Ford Capri. These tests reveal some critical insights into how these vehicles handle collisions and protect their occupants. Let's get right into the details. Starting with the passenger compartment in the frontal offset test, the Explorer and Capri showed impressive stability. Most critical body areas, like the head and chest, were well protected for both driver and passenger. Only the driver's lower leg protection rated slightly lower, but still met adequate standards. In the full-width rigid barrier test, the chest protection for the driver was rated marginal, based on slight compression readings, but overall, the Explorer and Capri did a solid job, with critical areas showing good or adequate protection across the board. Moving on to the side impact tests, this is where these vehicles really shined. In both the side barrier and the more severe side pole impact, all critical body areas were rated as having good protection, earning these models maximum points in this category. Now, a unique aspect of these tests was the analysis of excursion, which is the extent a body is thrown to the other side of the vehicle during a far side impact. Here, control was marginal, but Ford has added features to mitigate occupant-to-occupant injuries. When tested, this countermeasure worked well, providing good protection for both the drivers' and passengers' heads. When it comes to rear-end collisions, Ford's attention to detail is evident. Both the front and rear seats demonstrated solid protection against whiplash, which is essential for avoiding long-term injuries from rear impacts. Plus, the Capri is equipped with advanced safety tech, like an e-call system that contacts emergency services automatically in the event of a crash. There's also a system designed to prevent secondary impacts, ensuring that the vehicle can safely be exited even if submerged in water. So, to sum up, Ford's Explorer and Capri are showing excellent crashworthiness, with a robust lineup of safety features to protect passengers from different types of collisions. But what do you think? Which crash test would you like to see next on Autopedia? Drop a comment below and let us know.